Welcome to the Nurburgring, where horsepower meets heartache and confidence crashes into cold steel. These are the crazy Nurburgring crashes and fails. And believe me, it's scarier than you can imagine. From supercars getting humbled to wild spins that will make your jaws drop. These aren't just fails. They're legendary lessons in pain. Which car flew? Which one just melted down mid-corner? And which driver had no idea what hit them? Let's find out. The GTR that couldn't cross the starting line. Okay, so to start off, a Nissan GTR arrives at the Nürburgring track. This car is tuned to a level you can't imagine. You can hear the sound of the turbo spool from a mile away. Seeing such a car at the track, you would be sure that this guy is going to lay down a viral lap. The gate opens. He hits the throttle like he's launching off a rocket. He has zero thoughts of slowing down, but this turned out to be his greatest mistake ever. During the Flugplatz section, he did not hit the brakes, resulting in him going airborne and crashing into the spectators' gallery and killing an innocent guy who was just enjoying watching the race. And the crazy part is that this accident took place just half an hour into the race. Seems like you have seen this before, right? Yes, you got the right. This particular scene has been shown in the latest Gran Turismo movie as well. I mean, what do you even say? Spending so much on the tunes and showing it off to everyone, just to get it smashed and kill someone. That's agony, the Porsche that tried to fly.
Oh, il est parti! Oh la vache! Arrête-toi.
All right, now this one is flat out scary. So just as the previous one, the ring has a section known as Flugplatz, which literally means airport or airfield. Not even kidding. This section has got a nasty crest that launches cars into the air if you are going too fast. Now you are in a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, a stunning car, isn't it? You are riding it and enjoying the smoothness the car gives you, but suddenly you see a steep incline. And what do? Apply brakes, right? But this driver, clearly he slams Flugplatz, trusting Porsche's incredible handling.
Oh, il est parti! Oh la vache! Arrête-toi.
And voila, the nose comes up, all four wheels off the ground, and for a brief moment, it is kind of majestic. But then the reality strikes. Though the car went up smoothly, it did not come down as expected. The horrible sound of metal crunching and suspension compressing is literally a heartbreaking moment for car lovers. The car just jerks off into the side. It bounces not once, but twice, and then slams into the barrier. This all occurs within like 3 seconds, and you're shit scared. Your stomach drops watching it. Fortunately, the guy's able to walk away from it. But that car, you better call a tow truck to sell it for scrap. BMW M3 drift fail. On one hand, there are these actual crashes, and on the other, we have got this guy who tried to impress the masses but failed miserably. This guy rolls up in a BMW M3 with its aggressive looks and loud straight-piped exhaust, and he goes rocketing into one of the turns and sees people taking videos. Now guess what he did? He tried to show off by pulling off a drift. He drifts the car sideways, attempting to go through like he's auditioning for Fast and Furious. The first second or two actually looked good. The angle's good, tires screeching, crowds into it. But then his overconfidence kicked in and the rear end snapped. The car went on to hit barriers, wheels on the lawn and smoke everywhere. And just when you thought things couldn't get worse, another vehicle comes whizzing around and just misses hitting him. 5-car crash during the rain in Nürburgring.
And it was joined by the Golf, so it's that car that goes on first and unabated speed. Although full marks managed to get the right-hand lock on, but there are more coming in, I'm afraid, and that's quite a big.
This one's just crazy, so you've got a bunch of cars all in their half lap, keeping some nice pace. But then the rain god checks in at Nürburgring, adding a slight twist of rain and slippery tracks.
Thinking, am I heading that way? Yes, it looks so. And more cars going off. It was our TCR leader.
Just a little at first, but enough to spin the cars out. Unaware of the slippery tracks, an Audi TT comes in fast and goes sliding into the crucible. The large concrete bowl with that hairpin banking. It's a dangerous section in dry conditions itself, but wet? No way. He makes the edge too quickly, spins out, and crashes into the wall.
It looks pretty wise, doesn't it? It's on its way again, by the way, that Mercedes, the number 30 car. Dick Baumann, remember the one.
2 cars came behind him, and what did they do? Same thing. They see the turn, slam on the brakes, and bam, 2 more cars piled up. One of them even escapes just by a few inches and drives off.
How far it extends, but oh my heavens, the rain originally was reported.
That's the 18 car. The 18 car has gone off in the same spot on the driver's right.
Where's the leader? Where's the leader? The Haribo Mercedes number 88 in 3rd position has got through.
Then when you thought it's over, a 4th car slides in sideways. Just misses the wreck, but spins out and is inches of the guardrail. 5 cars, 1 corner, and all in less than 15 seconds, one of the wildest crashes ever to be captured on tape. Marshals were sprinting and yellow flags everywhere, and somehow no one gets seriously injured. Unreal, right? And there you have it, 4 crazy Nürburgring crashes. Which one was the scariest? Comment down below. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel along the way as well.